Eagles are among the most powerful and majestic birds in the animal kingdom, captivating people for centuries with their strength, grace, and incredible hunting skills. Known for their razor-sharp vision and impressive wingspans, these birds of prey have become symbols of freedom, power, and bravery across various cultures and civilizations. From mountains and forests to open plains and deserts, eagles are highly adaptable, with species spread across almost every continent except Antarctica. They play a vital role in ecosystems as top predators, controlling populations of smaller animals and maintaining natural balance. This fascination with eagles goes beyond their appearance. It delves into their behaviors, their biology, and their profound role in nature and human culture. The eagle family, scientifically classified as Accipitridae, is extensive, with over 60 different species. Each type of eagle brings its own characteristics, habits, and unique adaptations that help it thrive in its specific environment. Some of the most well-known species include the bald eagle, found mainly in North America, and the golden eagle, known for its incredible strength and agility. While the bald eagle is instantly recognizable by its white head and tail feathers, the golden eagle's brown feathers, complemented by golden tones around its neck, set it apart. Each species has developed traits that allow it to succeed in its particular habitat, making eagles one of the most efficient hunters in the bird world. These diverse habitats range from the high cliffs of mountainous regions to dense forests, vast grasslands, and even the coastal waters of large rivers and lakes. In terms of physical characteristics, eagles are built for power and precision in hunting. They possess incredibly strong talons, which enable them to catch and secure prey with immense force. Their beaks are hooked and sharp, ideally suited for tearing meat, as they are carnivorous birds. Eagles boast impressive wingspans, with some species reaching up to 7 feet. This wing structure allows them to glide effortlessly for long distances, conserving energy as they search for prey. This ability to soar with minimal effort grants eagles an advantage in spotting potential meals from the skies. One of their most remarkable features is their eyesight, which is believed to be 4 to 8 times stronger than that of humans. This allows them to detect the slightest movement from a distance, ensuring that they rarely miss a target. With a combination of precision and strength, eagles are unparalleled in the animal kingdom for their hunting prowess. Eagles are opportunistic hunters, with diets that vary based on their habitat and what is available. They typically prey on small to medium-sized mammals, birds, reptiles, and fish. Being highly adaptable feeders, eagles adjust their diet according to the seasons and availability of prey. For example, bald eagles, which are often associated with fish due to their proximity to rivers and lakes, will also hunt small mammals or even scavenge if necessary. This adaptability has allowed eagles to survive in diverse and sometimes harsh environments. Golden eagles, known for their ferocity and hunting skill, often target mammals such as rabbits, hares, and squirrels. However, they are also known to occasionally hunt larger animals, such as foxes or even young deer, showcasing their strength. The hunting technique of eagles is calculated and efficient. Often, they use the element of surprise, diving from high altitudes with incredible speed. Some eagles can reach dive speeds exceeding 240 km per hour, making it almost impossible for prey to escape once they are locked in the eagle's sights. The life cycle of eagles offers a glimpse into their fascinating nature and behaviors. Eagles are generally monogamous birds, forming strong bonds with a single mate, often for life. They work together as pairs, building large nests that provide security and stability. These nests, called eyries, are often constructed on high cliffs, tall trees, or even man-made structures. Built with sticks, leaves, and other materials, eyries can be enormous, some reaching 6 feet in diameter and weighing hundreds of pounds as they are added to each breeding season. Eagles take turns incubating eggs and protect their young until they are ready to venture out on their own. The young eaglets are born covered in soft down feathers and depend on their parents for food and protection in the early weeks of life. As they grow, they develop stronger feathers and the muscle strength needed for flight. Typically, young eagles are ready to leave the nest and begin learning to hunt by around 10 to 12 weeks. This transition from dependence to independence is a critical phase in the life of an eagle, as it sets the foundation for survival in the wild. Eagles have long been revered in human cultures across the globe. In ancient civilizations, they were often seen as symbols of strength, wisdom, and freedom. Native American tribes regard the bald eagle with profound respect, considering its feathers sacred and using them in various spiritual rituals. The eagle feather is a mark of honor, bravery, and respect in many native cultures. In Europe and Asia, eagles have been symbols of royalty and power, appearing on national flags, coats of arms, and coins. This connection to nobility and courage has made eagles a favorite subject in art, literature, and national emblems. The bald eagle, specifically, is more than just a bird in the United States. It represents the spirit of freedom, strength, and perseverance. The conservation of bald eagles was a major achievement in American wildlife protection and stands as a testament to the impact of human dedication to environmental stewardship. Despite their strength and resilience, eagles face numerous threats in today's world. The greatest challenge to their survival is habitat loss due to deforestation, urbanization, and climate change. As human populations grow, the areas eagles once roamed freely are being encroached upon, reducing their natural habitats and food sources. Pollution, particularly from pesticides and lead poisoning, also poses significant risks to eagles. These harmful substances accumulate in the food chain, causing health issues in eagles and sometimes leading to death. Illegal hunting and trade are additional threats, as eagle feathers, talons, and other parts are highly valued in some cultures. Conservation organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent birds through public education, legal protections, and habitat restoration. The remarkable recovery of the bald eagle population in the United States after being on the brink of extinction is an inspiring example of successful conservation efforts. By implementing strict hunting regulations, banning harmful pesticides like DDT, and establishing protected areas, conservationists have helped bald eagle populations rebound. This success story is a testament to what can be achieved when humans take action to preserve wildlife. There are many interesting facts about eagles that highlight their unique adaptations and abilities. For example, the term bald eagle is somewhat misleading, as these eagles are not actually bald. The word bald originally meant white-headed, referencing the eagle's striking white head feathers, which contrast sharply with its dark brown body and wings. Eagles also go through a process called molting, where they shed and regrow their feathers periodically. This molting cycle helps eagles maintain their flight capabilities, as fresh feathers allow for smoother, more controlled flight. Eagles are also known for their impressive lifespan, often living 20 to 30 years in the wild and even longer in captivity, where they can be protected from predators and provided with a stable food source. This long lifespan, combined with their incredible adaptability, makes eagles resilient creatures capable of surviving in extreme environments, migrating across continents, and thriving despite changing climates. The eagle's story is one of awe, inspiration, and admiration. These majestic birds remind us of the beauty of nature and the importance of protecting the creatures with whom we share this planet. As top predators, eagles play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance by controlling populations of smaller animals. Their presence in the wild is often a marker of a healthy ecosystem, as they require vast territories and abundant prey to thrive. Beyond their ecological significance, eagles have become symbols of hope, resilience, and freedom. Their graceful flight and steadfast gaze inspire us to appreciate the wild and untamed elements of the world, prompting us to reflect on our relationship with nature. In a world where natural habitats are shrinking, and wildlife faces constant threats, the preservation of eagles holds particular significance. These birds symbolize the untamed spirit of the wild, and their conservation represents our commitment to preserving that spirit for generations to come. Every time we look to the skies and see an eagle soaring, we are reminded of the beauty and complexity of nature. Eagles embody power, resilience, and natural elegance in a way that few other animals do, making their conservation a legacy worth protecting. As we continue to learn from and about eagles, let their stories serve as reminders of our responsibility to maintain a balanced and respectful relationship with the natural world. In doing so, we ensure that the eagle's proud, piercing gaze will continue to watch over a world that values and cherishes the wilderness, a world in which eagles can soar freely for generations to come.